Hi, my name is Craig Totten, and today we're going to see how to set up and weld with the Chief 522 MIG-MAG welding machine. The Chief MULTIMIG 522 comes equipped with 2 drive roll bays, 2 guns, one a standard torch and one a push-pull torch for most applications when aluminum welding is the goal, and is equipped to handle 2 gas bottles or 1 depending on the application. After uncrating the machine and removing the top box, the first thing you should always do is open the right side panel, take out the user's manual and read it thoroughly from front to back. This will help you with every aspect of using the machine. First thing we're going to do is put the rear wheels on. We place a wheel on the axle, cap over the end, tighten the screws. We then repeat this procedure for the opposite side. Also in the box that the wheels came in are 2 torch holding brackets and 2 brackets to hold the cables and wrap the cables around. We need to put a cord on the plug. So here we're going to connect the plug to the power cord, ensuring that the green wire is connected to the ground lug. And it really doesn't matter which way you connect the 2 hot legs with 220, 240. We're going to set this machine up with MIG brazing wire on one side with the standard torch, aluminum wire on the other side with the push-pull torch. So we're going to put a single bottle of pure argon on this machine. Since we're using this machine to weld aluminum and do MIG brazing, we only need 1 gas bottle of pure argon. So we're going to install a flow regulator with 2 gas hose connections that we can connect both hoses to 1 gas bottle with. If you were using 1 bay with 75-25 argon CO2 and 1 with pure argon, the top hose coming out of the back of the machine goes to the push-pull gun on the right side that we would use for aluminum, and the bottom hose goes to the standard gun that we would hook to the left side of the machine.